Company, market cap, order book, government and foreign orders. Corp, Pure Defense, 24. 1. Solar Industries, market cap, 152,475 rupees Cr, approx, order book, large domestic defense and export explosives, AMO contracts, periodic government orders. 2. Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, market cap, 317,373 rupees crossing, order book, 189,300 rupees Cr, major IAF and export fighter, engine contracts. 3. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, MDL, market cap, 129,000 rupees Cr, approx, order book, till the 30,000 rupees 34,700 Cr, Indian Navy destroyers, submarine programs. 4. GRSE, Garden Reach, market cap, 35,150 crore rupees, approx, order book, active Indian Navy shipbuilding projects, company disclosures. 5. Kochi Shipyard, market cap, 56,860 crore rupees, approx, order book, naval and commercial shipbuilding contracts, investor presentation. 6. Bharat Dynamics, BDL, market cap, 58,452 crore rupees, approx, order book, till the 12,000 rupees 22,800 Cr, missile, munitions government contracts and exports. 7. BMA, market cap, 17,918 crore rupees, approx, order notes, military vehicle and equipment supply contracts to Indian Defence, periodic government orders. 8. Bharat Electronics, BEL, market cap, 291,879 rupees crossing, order book, till the 71,650 rupees 74,859 Cr, Reda, U, avionics, domestic and export orders. 9. DCX Systems, market cap, 3,294 crore rupees, approx, orders, avionics, cable systems for domestic OEMs and occasional export work. 10. Mishra Dhatu Nigam, MIDHANI, market cap, 8,235 crore rupees, approx, orders, strategic alloys and forgings for defense, space, contracts disclosed quarterly. 11. Apollo Microsystems, market cap, 10,100 crore rupees, approx, orders, defense avionics, embedded systems, government OEM contracts. 12. Premier Explosives, market cap, 3,270 crore rupees, approx, orders, explosives, propellants for defense and mining, occasional government tenders. 13. Walchand Nagar Industries, market cap, 1,638 crore rupees, approx, orders, heavy forgings, space and missile components for PSUs, OEMs. 14. Centum Electronics, market cap, 3,296 crore rupees, approx, orders, defense and space electronics, exports to foreign OEMs. 15. MTAR Technologies, market cap, 5,150 crore rupees, approx, orders, precision components for missiles, space, nuclear, export and PSU orders. 16. Astra Microwave, market cap, 10,849 crore rupees, approx, orders, RF, microwave subsystems for defense radars, communications. 17. Data Patterns, market cap, 15,200 crore rupees, approx, orders, avionics and defense electronics contracts from DRDO, PSUs and exports. 18. Tejas Networks, market cap, 12,442 crore rupees, approx, orders, secure communications and defense networking, government tenders. 19. Paras Defense and Space, market cap, 6,548 crore rupees, approx, orders, aerospace, space optics and launcher components, some exports. 20. Avantal, market cap, 4,215 crore rupees, approx, orders, Satcom, Defense Communications Projects, check exact ticker for investor detail. 21. Ediforge, market cap, 2,547 crore rupees, approx, orders, defense, internal security drone contracts, growing government tender wins. 22. NIBE, NIBE Limited, market cap, 1,755 rupees 1,839 crore, approx, orders, secured defense orders including a notable foreign OEM order, tilde 151 crore rupees, May 2025. 23. Permanent Magnets Limited, market cap, 889 crore rupees, approx, orders, precision magnet supplies used in defense, aerospace sub-assemblies, smaller export work. 24. Azad Engineering, market cap, 10,300 crore rupees, approx, orders, precision aerospace, defense components, PSU OEM contracts in filings. Partial, indirect defense. 25. BHEL, market cap, 88,287 crore rupees, approx, order book, tilde 1 rupee and 95 paise minus 2.04 lakh crore, domestic power, industrial projects, occasional defense EPC and supply contracts. 26. Zen Technologies, market cap, 17,833 crore rupees, approx, orders, defense training and simulators, domestic and some export contracts. 27. Sika Interplant, Sika, market cap, 2,700 crore rupees, approx, orders, industrial engineering, limited defense supply. 28. Anamek, market cap, 6,500 crore rupees, approx, orders, process, aerospace supplier contracts, limited defense exposure. 29. Anup Engineering, market cap, 5,477 crore rupees, approx, orders, process equipment, occasional defense project supply. 30. Elecon Engineering, market cap, 15,028 crore rupees, approx, orders, gearboxes, heavy equipment, some defense related projects. 31. Cient, market cap, 14,483 crore rupees, approx, orders, engineering services for aerospace and defense, export contracts to OEMs. 32. Power Mech Projects, market cap, 9,716 crore rupees, approx, orders, large EPC contracts, occasional defense infra work. 33. Larsen & Toubro, L&T, market cap, 504,533 rupees crossing, order book, tilde 186,000 rupees crore, diverse projects, significant defense manufacturing and infrastructure orders. 34. MOL, market cap, 7,790 crore rupees, approx, orders, manganese mining supplies, raw material used indirectly in defense alloys. 35. Banco Products, Banco India, Banco Products India Limited, market cap, 8,800 rupees 9,950 crore, approx, orders, engine cooling modules and components supplied to defense, off-highway OEMs, check investor release for defense-specific orders. 36. Written India Group, Written India Power, market cap, tilde 7,857 rupees 7,900 crore, approx, for group companies, orders, energy projects. Written India has some robotics, tech subsidiaries tied to defense initiatives, confirm specific entity.